My final project for the how to make almost anything is something called the Smart Pi Assistant. And I'll basically go over the idea. The idea is to take, my email accounts, I have a bunch of them, my calendar accounts, weather prompts, and so on, and pass it through an LLM, a large language model, have it remove all the spam and unnecessary, things like marketing messages and, transactions and so on, and send me important things that I need to act on immediately. And then have this device actually sit on my desk and tell me things that are important that improves my productivity. So let's go into the device itself. So it's telling me that the LED display from Amazon is being delivered at 2 p.m. Frida sends a message to me about ICR metrics. Neil sends the final list for the HTMA presentation today, and so on. These are all important messages. Here's the PCB with the Raspberry Pi Pico W with the Wi-Fi. That's been soldered in, and we have a Hub 75 connector driving the display matrix, and a amplifier which is driving a speaker and a microphone out there. And we have a 3D printed enclosure where the PCB and the display have been screwed in. And we also have a nice admin tool, which basically has a dashboard that shows you that the device is online, the Wi-Fi is at 100%, the system tests are all being performed and checked, and it's looking at the message summary, looking at what messages have come in and so on. So this tool actually helps manage the entire device, and there it is, and that's the Smart Pi Assistant.